2027 Mazda CX-50 is arriving later this year, and it's shaping up to be the best value play in the entire compact SUV segment. If you've been watching prices climb on every new crossover and wondering whether anything out there still gives you a premium experience without a premium price tag, this is the video you need to watch. Most buyers assume that a near-luxury cabin, a proven hybrid system, and a genuine driver's car all live in separate price brackets. But the 2027 CX-50 is going to put all three under one roof, along with attractive price, and that changes the math on everything you thought you knew about this class. Number 6. Excellent hybrid option. Fuel costs aren't going anywhere. A year's worth of fill-ups adds up faster than most buyers calculate when standing on a dealership lot. That's the exact problem the 2027 CX-50 Hybrid is designed to solve, and it's going to do it with technology that has already proven itself at scale. Rather than building a brand new electrified system from the ground up, Mazda uses Toyota's tested hybrid setup, the very same powertrain architecture found in the RAV4 Hybrid. Toyota's hybrid system has been logging real-world miles for years, and the reliability track record it has built is something few competitors can point to at this price. Choosing a proven system over an unproven one isn't a compromise. It's a smart decision because it's a system Toyota has been perfecting for decades, a system that has earned a status of one of the most reliable and durable powertrains you can buy today. The setup consists of a 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder working alongside 3 electric motors, generating a combined 219 horsepower with all-wheel drive standard. The headline number, though, is fuel economy. The EPA is rating the CX-50 Hybrid at 39 miles per gallon city and 37 on the highway. To give you a clearer picture, that's a full 12 miles per gallon improvement over the standard CX-50. And all that is about to come with a very attractive price tag, which we will talk about later in this video. For Toyota-grade reliability, strong fuel economy, and a near-luxury interior, that's difficult to argue with. The hybrid option is compelling on its own. But for those who want performance over efficiency, the CX-50 has an answer that the rest of Mazda's lineup is no longer offering. Number 5. Available Turbo 4. Something is quietly shifting inside Mazda's lineup, and it's creating an opening buyers should notice. The updated CX-5 is now available exclusively with a naturally aspirated engine. No turbo option, no upgrade path, no performance alternative. For anyone who wanted more from the CX-5, that door has closed. The CX-50 is not following that path. Its powertrain lineup is going to remain one of the most complete in the class, with base trims carrying a 187 horsepower naturally aspirated 4-cylinder and turbo trims stepping up to 256 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque. In testing, the turbo reached 60 miles per hour in just a bit over 6.4 seconds, which makes it one of the quickest models in the segment. Towing capacity rises to 3,500 pounds with the turbo engine, which is the number that approaches mid-size SUV territory. The 6-speed automatic managing all of this is a conventional, responsive gearbox. None of the sluggish CVT behavior that plagues alternatives. With the CX-5 down to one powertrain choice, the CX-50 Turbo is going to be the only place inside Mazda's lineup to access this level of performance at a reasonable price. A strong engine lineup is only half the story, though, and none of it means much if the chassis underneath can't back it up, and that's where the CX-50 is about to make a real statement. Number 4. Class-leading driving experience. Drive nearly any compact crossover for a week and the experience blurs quickly. Smooth enough, quiet enough, and utterly forgettable. The CX-50 is going to remind buyers that an SUV at this price can actually be worth driving. The CX-50's chassis is tuned for a precise balance, absorbing road imperfections without floating, holding its line through corners without excessive lean, and communicating enough through the steering to keep the driver genuinely engaged. Models like the Subaru Forester and Kia Sportage are capable enough as transportation. Neither one is going to deliver that same sense of connection. Contributing to all of this is the fact that all-wheel drive comes standard on every single CX-50 trim without exception. This means delivering consistent grip in wet weather, on loose surfaces, and through the kind of conditions where front-drive crossovers start to feel uncertain. Clearly, the chassis earns its place on any shortlist, but a great driving SUV still needs to look the part years down the road, and that's exactly what the next reason is about. Number 3. Design that ages well. Most compact SUVs follow the same playbook. Round every edge, keep the proportions conservative, ensure nothing looks too polarizing. The CX-50 took a different approach from day one, and years later, that decision is still paying dividends. Built around Mazda's Kodo design language, the exterior features sharp body lines, a lower roofline than the typical crossover, and sculpted surfaces that feel deliberate rather than accidental. The slightly raised ride height and protective cladding hint at off-road capability without overstating it. In a class where some models begin looking dated within 2 or 3 years, the CX-50 is going to arrive for 2027, still carrying the same visual relevance it launched with. For buyers planning to own a vehicle for 6 to 8 years, that design longevity has real practical value. Good design on the outside sets expectations. The CX-50's cabin is where those expectations are going to be exceeded, and by a wider margin than most buyers will anticipate. Number 2. Luxurious cabin. Most compact crossovers at this price feel like exactly what they are: practical transportation with materials chosen to hit a cost target. The CX-50's interior is going to feel like something from a different category entirely. The cabin is built from materials that consistently draw comparisons to vehicles priced thousands higher. Standard equipment across even the base trim is going to include an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat, heated front seats, and a power rear liftgate. These are features that many rivals bundle into mid-range packages. The premium trim adds a 12-speaker Bose audio system, a panoramic sunroof, and Sirius XM satellite radio. At the top of the range, the Turbo Premium Plus is going to offer black leather upholstery with contrasting brown stitching. It's a finish that looks and feels considerably more expensive than the price tag suggests. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a wireless charging pad are going to come standard on the 10.3-inch infotainment screen across every trim. The 2027 CX-50's interior is going to sit noticeably closer to entry-level luxury SUV territory than to the typical Hyundai or Subaru it's being cross-shopped against. That's a compelling argument, but the most compelling argument of all still comes down to what Mazda is actually going to charge for all of this. Number 1. Strong value. Compact SUV prices have been climbing steadily. Models that started the decade under $30,000 are now routinely touching $35,000 before any meaningful equipment is added. The 2027 CX-50 is going to arrive at price points that still hold together. The entry select trim is going to start at around $32,000, already undercutting the Ford Bronco Sport, Volkswagen Tiguan, and Honda CR-V at comparable specification. The Preferred follows at around $34,000, and the Meridian Edition lands at an estimated $36,000. At the performance end, the turbo trim comes in at approximately $40,000 with the 256 horsepower engine, leather upholstery, and Bose audio already included. The Turbo Premium Plus tops the lineup at $45,000. That's a number most European competitors don't even start at for comparable quality. Standard all-wheel drive, a premium cabin, an available turbo powertrain, and a Toyota-sourced hybrid option, starting at around $32,000. In a segment where mediocre has never been more expensive, a vehicle that delivers this combination at this price is going to be difficult to walk away from. The 2027 Mazda CX-50 is arriving in a segment full of compromises, and it's refusing to make any of them. A Toyota-sourced hybrid system that delivers 38 miles per gallon combined, a Turbo 4 that no longer exists anywhere else in Mazda's lineup, standard all-wheel drive across every trim, a cabin that punches well above its price class, exterior styling that's been holding its own for years and isn't slowing down. And all of it is going to be available starting at around $32,000. For anyone currently in the market for a compact SUV and trying to figure out where the real value is hiding, the answer is becoming harder to ignore. But as impressive as the CX-50 looks, we can't say that there are no worthy alternatives around. If you don't necessarily need this level of luxury and street performance, but rather want something more practical and adventure-ready, then you definitely want to check out our video about the Subaru Forester and what makes it so great. An impeccable all-wheel drive system, excellent visibility, and an impressive reliability record are just some of the many reasons why this compact SUV stands out as one of the most logical options in the segment.